We, as MTL, have been developing life-shaping solutions since 2008. Starting our journey as the official distributor of Kurtz, the world leader in particle foam processing machinery for Turkey, Balkans and Middle East. Today we are taking a step forward. With our EPP mold test and R&D facility, we are adding a new capability to our production strength. This facility allows us to offer our customers not just a mold, but a completely production-ready solution. We deliver thoroughly tested, reliable, efficient and risk-free molds. At MTL, we do not limit our work to production alone. We take full ownership of the process and manage every stage with meticulous attention. In this way, our customers can integrate their molds directly into production without interruptions and without occupying their production capacities. All potential risks arising from mold design and mold manufacturing are eliminated. Time losses and production interruptions become a thing of the past. Our customers start production with confidence from day one. At MTL, inspired by innovation, driven by an uncompromising commitment to quality, and guided by a vision of sustainable success, we are ready today for the challenges of tomorrow.